Welcome to the future of manufacturing with Nikit Engineers. Today, we are at the cutting-edge unit Alfa factory, where our state-of-the-art robotic automation solutions are transforming production lines like never before. Our advanced robotic systems are meticulously designed to reduce downtime and significantly boost productivity. Every movement is optimized for efficiency, ensuring that each weld is performed with unparalleled accuracy and speed. By integrating these innovative robotic solutions, Unit Alfa has experienced a remarkable enhancement in operational performance. Each component produced is a testament to the reliability and excellence of Nikit Engineers solutions. Our solutions are designed to meet the evolving needs of modern manufacturing, making your production smarter and faster. Join us in revolutionizing your industry production line with our automated robotic and welding solutions. Experience the future today with Nikit Engineers, where innovation meets execution. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations from Nikit Engineers, innovating tomorrow.